Remember these leggings and how they had a hole? We're going to fix them today. Welcome to Rubberly Workshop. Welcome back for another repair. In episode 3, we fixed a zipper flap that had come loose. Now, we're fixing the tougher problem, the tear near the zip. Of course, we'll be using a patch, but how are we going to be using that patch? What even is this fancy galaxy print latex about? Well, let's start with a little intro. I've had these leggings since 2018. Here's a pic from when I wore them for Neko Nation that same year. They weren't something you could buy off the shelf. They had to be commissioned, so I got them commissioned by Matrix. I didn't want a solid colour though, so I needed some custom latex sheet too. Yes, you heard that right. The sheeting is custom. Gummi was a custom latex business who would make liquid latex sheeting. So you see where this is going. It would get really expensive pretty quickly to just order another meter of galaxy print. Well, as it turns out, I have some matching scrap in my toolbox. If you're getting any custom made latex with poured sheeting, make sure the designer sends you the offcut. If you ordered the whole sheets used to make your outfit, the maker will usually be okay with sending you the offcuts. As such, Matrix was a champion. She made an amazing outfit and sent plenty of scrap for times like this. So let's have a look at this hole. It's pretty small. It's pretty inconspicuous as it is too. I caught it well in time. If we were really desperate, we could patch this with a little bit of 0.4mm black and call it a day. But we won't be doing that. This is Rubberly Workshop, and we want to make it a good repair. I'll use this scrap piece to closely match the pattern on the leggings. With poured latex, you'll never get a one-to-one match of pattern, but you'll have the most professional finish for your repair that's possible. We've already washed these leggings before last repair, and they've not been worn since, so we'll skip washing these. Let's get straight into the prep. Put on those gloves and the respirator. Let's turn these leggings inside out. This is where we'll be patching, from the inside. Let's clean the area, and about 20mm radius around it. Let's clean the surrounding area inside with solvent, being careful not to pick at any of the other seams around here too. It'll curl for a bit, so let's make a patch. Here, I think a patch of about this size should do the trick. We'll cut this piece into the patch that we need. There we go. Let's give that a clean as well. This patch should be nice and strong. We're making one big enough to not only cover the hole, but also latch onto as much of a surface here without being too obvious. As this is a very inconspicuous spot between the legs, we can put a larger patch here without much fuss. The crotch area, just like the armpit areas on latex, can be high stress. That's another reason why you want to do a really good job here. Now that the curling has settled, let's glue the patch. Either side, it doesn't matter too much with this kind of sheeting where the fault is. Glue the affected area from the inside. As a precaution, you can always allow a bit of glue to be 1 or 2mm wider. We'll clean it up after. Now give the glue 10 minutes to get tacky. After 10 minutes has passed, use your fingers to gently apply the patch and press it into place. Just like so. When you're happy with where it is, hit it with the seam roller. Now let's use a rag and solvent to wipe off any excess glue, just like that. Now turn the leggings inside out and check the tear from the outside. If you did a good repair, you'll barely even notice a repair. Clean the outside with a bit of solvent too. Blast the affected area with a little bit of talcum powder. Now hang the leggings up for 24 hours. After 24 hours, let's give that a quick inspection. Well, it's all looking good. Now we can give these leggings another full wash and a full shine. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you've learned something. We'd love to hear how you went with your repairs. Leave your comments below. Again, you're always welcome to send your before and after pictures to our Instagram account. Details are in the description below. We'd love to feature your repairs in future episodes. And with that, we'll see you in a couple of weeks for the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching Rubberly. Looking for a way to support the channel? Check out Rubberly Store. Simply visit rubber.ly and click the Store tab. At Rubberly Store, we have the Crafter's Gift Box, the ideal start to your latex making journey. We also have Shine by Rubberly, a lightweight latex shine and dressing aid spray all in one. Shine by Rubberly is handmade right here in Sydney with love.
Every purchase helps keep our channel going strong. Your support means the world to us. Happy crafting.